What? You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night.
What's up, humble gang? Welcome back to your girl's channel. So you're probably wondering why I'm outside recording. Just a recap from my last video. This is our lot. Since we own it and we paid for it, I'm gonna record on it. Thank you. So happy New Year's 2019, and I know probably one of your New Year's resolution is how to lose weight. Well, as you can see, a little transformation from my last weight loss video. I lost another 60 plus pounds, and you're probably wondering, how did I lose all that weight? Because I used to look like this and not look like this. And you're probably wondering how I did it. So this is how. Keto, you guys. If you don't know about it, I'm pretty sure you heard about it. And you're probably wondering, like, how do you keto? Because I get this question a lot on my social media, Facebook, Snapchat. Like, what do you do? What do you eat? Like, how does it really work? Alright, you guys, so I'm going to give you some steps that I use to help me lose weight on keto. Because again, people keto kind of different, and you probably watching other videos and you're probably like, that's not really what I am, or that's why something I don't want to do. But this is something that I did for me and hopefully can help you out. So number one, on keto, you have to watch your calories. Now, the reason why I say you have to watch your calories is because when you're on keto, you don't want to just go crazy and eat so much and think, okay, I can eat all this food and I'm gonna lose weight. That's not how it works. You have to count how much calories. Set yourself a calorie goal. Like for me, when I first started, my calorie goal was 1600 calories a day. Yeah, 1600 calories a day. That was my goal. And it really wasn't hard at all, because once you cut off bread, cookies, ice cream, rice, once you cut all that stuff out, you'd be surprised how much calories you consume and you'd be really full. What goes to my next step? Eventually, when you're on keto, maybe not for other people, but for me, you're kind of gonna end up start fasting. And when I say fasting, like, you're not starving yourself, but when you consume the right amount of fats, you're not really hungry. When I first started, I'll eat eggs, avocado, bacon, and I'll be good for like a good 8 hours a day. So after that, you eat again. You can make you some, let me see, a burger with no bun, cheese, avocado, bacon. I know I sound fat just thinking about it, but you can eat that and you'll be set. Like, you won't be hungry. You're not gonna snack in the middle of the night. None of that. So going to number 3, what can you eat on keto? Again, it's a hashtag on Instagram that I use that you guys probably don't know about, because a lot of stuff that you want to do in life, somebody already is probably doing it. But they also can lead you the way. So it's a hashtag on Instagram called keto. I follow that hashtag. It gives me recipes. I see people testimonies. I see stories to see if it's legit and if it's something I can do. And I started it, and it really helped. It shows you all the stuff that you can eat. You'll see charts, you see calories, you see macros, you see a lot of carbs that's in food. Like, for example, fruits. You can't eat bananas. And that was one of my biggest struggles. I eat bananas every day. You can't eat bananas because bananas have sugar. Even though it's a fruit, it has sugar. You can eat strawberries, you can eat berries, blueberries, raspberries. You can't have pineapples, which was another struggle for me. I was working in the kitchen in my last job, and we had tons of fruit, and pineapples was the main thing I would eat. In the morning thinking, I'm eating fruit, I'm good, I'm gonna lose weight. No, you can't, because you have to watch, again, sugar. So it's not just cutting off the bread, it's cutting off anything that's sweet. I know it sounds kind of hard, you guys, but you gotta do it if you really wanna lose weight. Again, this is something that you wanna do, because for me, I was tired, I was not happy with myself, and self-love is important. So number 4, working out. Now, a lot of people don't want to do keto diet because they feel like they have to go to the gym. You technically don't have to work out on keto, but I highly recommend that you do. Not 3, 4, 5 times a week, but you can work out like twice a week, 30 minutes a day, a couple of cardios, because when you're not eating carbs, you're gonna feel a little lightheaded. You might go through the keto flu, but to avoid the keto flu, it's good to have a lot of nice drinks that's basically 0 calorie. Like I love Powerade, 0 calories. I love Gatorade, 0 calories. Like stuff like that you can drink with water. Just make sure it have no sugar and make sure there's 0 calories. But it'll give you energy and it'll give you a quick boost, because you will eventually start feeling a little lightheaded because your body's gonna basically go through a little shock, honestly. Now, again, working out. You don't have to, but I do highly recommend it, especially if you're trying to tone your body. It's a good thing to lose the weight, but you don't want that extra fat just hanging there. So that's why I do recommend to work out on keto. Alright, you guys, so number 5 on keto. The best thing I will say that I do love and enjoy while I'm on keto is you can eat bacon and you can eat chicken wings. Like, it's so much stuff that you can eat on keto that you're really not missing out on anything. Like, if I go out with me and my bae and I could just order me some plain buffalo chicken wings, or typically a burger with no bun. I eat a burger with no bun like every day. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Every day I eat a burger with no bun. And I still feel full. I still end up fasting. And I still lose the weight, because if you guys know me, I work out every day, basically 4 or 5 days a week, but it still works. So keto could work for me. I'm pretty sure keto could work for you. So recap again, guys, this is how I lose weight on keto. I hope this information can help you out, but don't just listen to me. Google it. Go on that keto hashtag on Instagram. I promise you'll be like, okay, it's plenty of charts of what you can eat. It's plenty of fruits of what you can eat. Like, it's plenty different ways to keto. You can be lean with it and eat a whole bunch of fish if you're not a meat eater like that. Fish and cabbage. I love cabbage. That's one of the good things about keto that you can't eat. That's vegetables. And it's stuff that you can't eat on vegetables on keto, like corn. You can't eat corn, guys. So if corn's part of your diet, just cut that off automatically. But this is how I keto. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you want to join the gang, hit that subscribe button. And soon, this vlog won't be here. Soon you'll see me recording on a whole bunch of dirt. Because this is our property. Again, we own it. So we're going to record on it because it's ours. So again, join the gang. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you on my next one.
You and me will always be tight. Memories